Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to watch football live on YouTube TV. So first things first, we need to make sure that you are subscribed to YouTube TV or you have an existing plan for them. You can see that you can enjoy $64.99 per month for your first 4 months. That can save around $32. So you can try it for free as well because they have a free trial. However, it will actually ask you to get in here the $64.99 per month for that particular trial. Now, once you have known that you actually have an account, make sure to navigate the sports section, and then on the sports tab, scroll down to find the sports section, and here you will see the live and upcoming games. So if you see a football game right there, just head over and click on it. You can also use the search bar to enter keywords like NFL or college football or football to find specific game. So just click on that particular game, and when a game is live, it will be displayed prominently in the sports section. Just click on it on the game thumbnail to start watching it. So that's how you watch football live on YouTube TV. Hope this video helped you.